What up?
So we're going on a little cabins trip and it's snowing, the highways are closed. We found a detour, but it's gonna take us like 3 hours. So hopefully we make it and they don't close any more roads. Any updates, Anton?
Yeah, so we were originally planning to drive on Interstate 80 up to North Lake Tahoe, but as soon as we were about to leave, we got news that the freeway got closed. So we were thinking to either cut through Highway 20 or go through 50, and we ended up taking 50. So hopefully we'll make it without any closures. And we've been driving for about an hour, 40 minutes, and we just hit snow just now. The rain finally turned into snow.
Anita's here too.
Chaperoning.
Road wheeling. Where's Dennis? Hi Dennis. I know you'll be watching this later. Передавай привет. Передавай привет Денису.
Передавай привет.
И пусть папе тоже
Передавай привет.
Здоровья.
В Україну, да, саме
What?
Can you not speak Russian?
Желаю щастя і здоров'я, і любов, і всім, щоб всі були такі раді, щаслительні.
You cannot speak Russian.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Get this?
Yeah. Ran into a situation. Yeah, I don't know if you want to zoom in and zoom out.
So close, bro.
Wow, that is wild.
How does that happen?
Update. We were stranded for like, what was it, like 3 or 4 hours? Literally just sitting in the car, sleeping on our phones, and starving because all of our food is...
Gossiping! I'm just kidding, I'm kidding.
And all of our food is stuck in the back, but we finally found some snacks.
No.
We dug through some snacks.
It's not that we couldn't reach our food, it's that there was an 80-pound luggage on top of it. Thank you to David Alekian for it, that luggage. And it's like 100 pounds, it's snowing. We can't get, like if you go outside for more than 1 second, you're already completely snowed. So we couldn't reach the food unless other than like,
yeah, it's
candy.
wild.
Yeah.
It's wild out here, guys.
Can you give me
Literally
an almond?
traffic is stopped everywhere. Like no matter, they finally
Sure.
let us through. And now the other side coming in from Tahoe
an
to
almond?
Sac is all stopped. We finally made it to our cabin. Good morning, it's day 2. We finally settled in and we're off on our next adventure, off on our next trip. We're going snowmobiling today, so that should be fun. But I'll show the house right now just because we're kind of leaving and in a hurry, but it's perfect lighting, so. Walking right here, and this is what you see.
Yup.
And then if you keep moving this way, this is a guy's room, a girl's room, except why are you in here? Bathroom, garage, laundry. I don't know what's in there, forgot. Don't know what's in there. Oh, it's a closet. Wait, why is there winter wear in there? Oh, that's all their stuff, I guess. Bunch of shoes. Whoa, excuse me, sir. This is the out. Whoa, look at that view though. So if you keep walking up, more people will keep walking down. And there's this room. This is our master bedroom. If you keep walking, here's the kitchen. Here's the crew. Are we ready to go?
Yes, we have a Lululemon bag. We're so rich. A big one. A big one. We bought a lot of stuff.
Here's the outside. I don't want to go out there right now just because we're leaving, but hot tub, bunch of snow, and then there's also a sauna around the corner. This house said it fits 2 cars on the driveway. We fit 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one behind there, 5, and a huge trailer, 6, 7, I guess, and 2 in the garage. So 9 cars. Destination, which is like this snow field. We're going snowmobiling, snow wheeling, sledding, anything that requires snow. So yeah, we'll have some fun.
Ладно, натворил. Explain the situation.
Well, you know, I was recovering someone and like I fell into a ditch, you know, with my winch. So,
Where's your winch?
Never recover someone. Lesson learned.
Hey, go stand next to it. Just show him how bad the angle is.
I thought he said I'm about to tip over. This, on the left side, it's huge rocks, so.
Come here. Almost there. Come on, you ready?
No, he's not even in the car.
Hey, so you winching me back?
Yeah, hurry up, get in. I don't know this time.
Why? We have all day. Oh gosh, yeah, this is like bad. Hey, try to open your door, lad.
Huh?
Try to open it. He's winching you. Reverse, reverse. There you go. Keep pulling.
Yeah, you should definitely start. Lock? There's a lot of powder. Hey, eBay. This winch was on Craigslist. I used twice out of the box.
$250.
$300.
Brand new.
I hate people who sell the hardware products for like $350.
Yeah, I know. Someone was brand new for $350.
I hurt my hand. You're gonna send it hard then. Come on, let me unhook.
Oh, you're defeated. You're defeated. You're defeated. Look. There you go. Okay. Yeah, that's crunched. Quarter panel fender?
Yeah, the quarter panel.
No, it's fine. It's in there.
No, because that thing's gonna drive into that right now. Look at that. It's already all
It's
smushed.
tucking nice. Okay, expert. What's your solution?
I would say something, but I'm just gonna keep it, you know.
Okay, what's your
Forerunners
solution?
right here, Jeeps right here. We're not gonna say anything.
Shut up.
We're not gonna get in between this. I'm just gonna say,
Hey, in the
thanks
face!
for coming, Vlad. You might have to stay more than one night. He's gonna sit me. So
Vlad! She's only giving you problems, that's the lie! It's fine, it's nothing. Easy, easy. Just let him pull you. There you go, nothing happened, Alina. And you were worried. And you were worried. Are you sure?
Oh my god.
Well, I mean, he got stuck. What do you expect?
Oh!
it's all bad. Shoot. Oh my god.
Vadim was like secretly.
No, dude, nothing would have happened to Vadim's Jeep. Your 400 would have. Yep. Filming me working?
Yes.
Hard at work or hardly working?
Until you think that's enough footage to find out that you're a nice hardworking man.
Okay, here. You can continue.
We got the shot, move on.
Put it, we'll lift it by the frame. In front.
12? I think it's because it's skinny and it like flexes a lot.
This is how we
It's on the car.
picked up the car.
We're back in business.
There's a lot of weight on the front axle. Too.
Vlad, 12 PSI, let's go smashing.
10, 9. If it's this easy, 9. 9 PSI.
How much did you put on?
12.
You actually put 12?
Empty.
I would have put like 15.
Vadim.
In the day, we came back to the cabin, went grocery shopping. Now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man. Oh my goodness.
Let's get all the way. Close the boat. It's cold. Close the boat. Back inside. Oh, you mean the face.
The road conditions are critical right now. Caution needs to be applied.
Hey Nita, I don't know if you saw, but you suck. Oh, shut up.
This is actually the camera that I really wanted to get.